Annie, and today we'll be making mango floats. So the ingredients you need are graham crackers, Nestle Cream which is chilled, condensed milk which is also chilled, and mangoes, 8 slices. So the first thing you need to do is scrape the mangoes. Okay, how to scrape mangoes are you take a spoon and you gently do some scraping with your mangoes. So you could see that it's like that. So you keep on repeating over and over again until you have until your mangoes are all empty. So you guys, here's our scraped mango we just scraped today, and here's our condensed milk, and here's our Nestle Cream. So first we're gonna pour in the Nestle Cream. Or should I do the thing?
Okay.
So I'm pouring the Nestle Cream into the bowl.
Okay, next. So make sure it's chilled.
So make sure it's chilled before you make the mango float. And now I'm gonna do the other one. Condensed milk. Just do half of it.
No, hold. Okay. Next, you need adult supervision.
Adult supervision now, guys.
For
mixing it
with the
mixer. Okay, guys. So my mom's doing the mixing, so this one might be noisy.
Pause. Let's just do this. Okay, that's it.
Okay, guys. So here is our Nestle Cream that it's already mixed. Now we're gonna start making the mango float. So the first thing you need is graham. So you make sure they're like this. So when it's too big, so here is our whisk on Nestle Cream condensada, and time to do the scrape this. And then put that in.
You pile.
You have to pile them up. Okay, once you're done, you have to get your whisk Nestle Cream condensada and then put it on top some. Okay, guys, so we're going to start putting this Nestle Cream, whisk Nestle Cream condensada on top of our crackers or cookies. You have to spread them first over the edge because you have to connect them first. If you don't connect them, then it's gonna be hard for you to spread the yummy frosting. Okay, let's spread this. Okay, now I'm going to do the other side. So, the thing I'm doing is I'm first connecting the the cookies together because if I don't... Okay, so my mom helped me, so next you get some mango. I'm wearing gloves for this. Stay in there. Stay there, mango. Oh, so slippery. Ah. Please. Please. And then please. After when you're done putting in your mangoes, you go get your your frosting after when you're done putting in the mangoes. Yeah, I kind of forgot some. Put in
Okay, that's enough.
That's enough. Now you put your cream on top of the mangoes. Just spread it all over the place. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna repeat the same thing. So first, you take a your ham and place.
It's okay.
Cool.
Okay.
Now you get your batter or cream and then you put it on your mango float or cookies, crackers.
Okay, next
Okay.
the mango.
Now we have to repeat this all over and all over again. Okay, now you put in the cream again.
Okay, good.
So is this the last layer?
Okay. Okay.
This is the last layer because we don't have any more mangoes.
You have your mango.
There's no more mango.
Okay. You're gonna scrape it like that. Okay.
I'll spread them everywhere,
Uh-uh.
like randomly,
Randomly.
like that.
Yeah.
Throw it.
Like that. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the one.
Put somewhere here. Spread like that. Okay. And then put the here.
I think this is the last layer.
Okay.
This is the last layer. We made so much cream, so.
Okay.
I'm supposed to spread it
Here.
over here.
This one.
No.
Okay, good. Okay. So next you cover it with
Cream.
cream.
Only. Float over a mango float. Once you're done, you'll just let this chill overnight, and then when you taste it, it's gonna be very soft of the
Very
cracker,
yummy.
and very yummy. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you like and subscribe and leave a comment. Bye guys.